Hello guys, welcome to East Tech Hub Tutorials, and in today's video I will be teaching you the difference between Canva free account and Canva Pro account. So guys, if you're joining me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop new video on digital marketing and graphic designing. Okay guys, so now let's open the Canva free account and see the difference. Okay, let's go to theme. As you can see, as a free user, you are limited to some certain features. Now let's look for a template or a design and see if they will allow us to make use of their Pro feature. Let's look for logo under 500 pixels and see if they are going to allow us to make use of any of the designs or templates. Okay, so let's allow it to load. Okay, so now let's go down and select this Pro feature and see if they're going to allow us to. Okay, so this is the message: we have to upgrade to the Pro account before we can be able to make use of the Pro template. Okay, since they didn't allow us to make use of the Pro template, let's create a new design. Okay, so I'm going to import my picture to this background. Then I'm going to show you something on the features, and you see the difference between Canva Pro account and the Canva free account. So you go to your effects, you see that there are limited effects, in the Canva free account. Then you would want to save your after designing, you would want to save your work. You see that they're telling you to upgrade before you can actually make use of the Pro features that are there. If you want this picture to be in transparent background. Okay guys, so now let's check out Canva Pro features. If you are joining my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop new video on digital marketing, graphic design, and so on. Okay guys, so this is my Canva Pro account, as you can see on the screen. So let's go to the theme and see the features. Okay, so now you can see on the screen that I have unlocked all the features: unlimited content, brown, magic white, background removal, and so on and so forth. So you can just see that this is the Canva Pro. So let's go and try a design. Okay, so now let's add a Pro template. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is a Pro template. So let's add this Pro and see. Oh, wow, this is great. Okay guys, I'm going to add my picture to the design and show you something wonderful about Canva Pro. Now I'm going to change the background of this particular picture you're seeing on the screen right now. Let's go to our effects. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of effects here because I'm using Canva Pro. Then I want to change the background of this particular picture. So as you can see, there are a lot about Canva Pro that you wouldn't want to miss. Okay, I'm changing the background of the picture right now, so you see the magic. Wow, this is great and this is wonderful. Okay guys, so now let me show you another thing about Canva Pro that I love so much. I'm going to erase the write-up that you're seeing in this particular design. So I'm going to the magic eraser and you see the magic. Okay, let's erase this. How? Okay, see the magic. Wow. Okay, it's not that good. Let's try another one. Okay, you see the magic. Wow, this is great. And this is one good thing I love so much about Canva Pro. Okay, if you want to save your work, you see that Canva will give you access to all their Pro features. If you want to save your work, resize it, they are not going to restrict you. There are so many things about Canva Pro that I can't possibly talk about in this video unless maybe you get one for yourself. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Get a Canva Pro for yourself, design like a pro, and enjoy all the features in Canva Pro. So if you want to get one, please don't forget to click on the description of this video and get yourself a Canva Pro. And if you're meeting me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop new video on digital marketing, graphic design, and so on and so forth. Thank you for watching this video and see you guys on my next video.
Subscribe to my channel.
It's Love Day TV.